Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. There's a common perception out there that when British people ask, "How are you?" they don't really want to know the answer. There's this idea that it's a kind of formalised social ritual where one person says, "Hey, how are you?" and the other person, no matter how they're feeling, no matter what's going on in their life, is supposed to reply, "Fine, thanks, and you?" To which the first person says, "I'm fine. Good day to you, sir." This is the idea. The reality, of course, is more complicated. If you're fine, you generally say, "Yeah, fine, thanks, not bad, thanks, I'm good, thanks, I'm all right, thanks, yeah, how you doing, you all right, yeah, good, okay, bye." However, this morning I was walking back from the shops in my street and I ran into a neighbour I haven't seen for a while. So I stopped and asked how he was doing, and he replied by saying, "Whoa, how long have you got?" If you say, "How long have you got?" in response to the question, "How are you?" or "How are you doing?" it basically means things aren't great with me, and how much I tell you depends on how much time you want to spend listening to me talk about all of my problems. I had a little bit of time on my hands, so my response was, "Oh, that bad, eh?" He then proceeded to share his tales of woe with me about a dog that he had that had recently died, his elderly mother-in-law who's basically on her way out, and his own health problems. So, as you can see, sometimes we say, "How are you? I'm fine." Other times it might be, "How are you? How long have you got?" And if someone does respond to you like this, it's always best to make sure you then stop and listen to whatever's going on in their life. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, and your colleagues.